Sanibonani, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel Mazibugo and today we are talking about my 3-year lock update. Yes, it's been a minute, I haven't given an update in a while, but here we are and I do hope that you enjoy. So a quick background on my locks. I started my locks in April of 2019. So now at 2022 July, we are at 3 years and 3 months. And I started my locks with palm rolling, and they used wax as well to roll my locks. And they also did this thing where they wrapped the locks in wool. So like when your hair, I had an afro. So they wrapped the afro after palm rolling in wool to keep it in place. I'll link a video to where I explain like everything on how I started my locks. And yeah, if you're not South African, I think you might not understand. So please do watch that video to know what I'm talking about. Right, so the products that I use for my locks in maintaining and retwisting and blah blah blah, it's not very complicated. Like I like my hair to be as natural as possible with very little products, you know. So even with shampoo, I use I don't actually mind. Like I'm not a very specific, like I need to use banbani, no. So I use whatever basic shampoo that I can find. I usually shop at Focus, if you know Focus, or it's Discam or Clicks. So nothing like very complicated with like a lot of ingredients. Right now I'm using this classic apple shampoo. I love the smell of apple. Like whatever I do choose, it has to be apple. It just smells so good. Okay, so I use this and it doesn't strip a lot from the hair. Like it just feels clean. That's what I like about it. I mean, it does the job. That's all I needed to do. And then for retwist, right? So I don't use wax. Instead of wax, I use Jamaican black castor oil. So nalapho futhi is not a very complicated product. I don't know, there are lots of different brands, but again, I shop at Focus, and this is the one that I get. Hope you can see it there. Yeah, this is the one that I get. So what I do is just pour it onto my roots, and then like after popping obviously the roots and stuff and sectioning out, I also don't use a comb when I retwist. So I just do everything by hand, and then I put the oil on, and then I twist, and then I use black bands. So I'm actually looking for, if you can comment maybe and help me find elastic bands. But for now, what I did, because I'm thrifty, I just cut up stockings, like a whole leg of stocking, and then I cut them into little pieces, and then I came out with these little pieces that I tied together. See, that I tied together, and I just made my own black bands because I couldn't find them in the shop. So yeah, if you do know where I can find them, please comment, help a girl out. But yeah, that's what I use right now. I'll just twist them and then just tie a bunch of them up. It does air out really well because I also don't hair dry. I air dry. So once I've tied them up, I like to stand around in the sun or just wash my hair early in the day so that it airs out well. So for maintenance, I like using coconut oil. Now, Koana Foods is not a very complicated coconut oil, and it's in liquid form. So I do realize that sometimes you find a coconut oil that's like a hard sort of, I don't know what to say, not Vaseline like, but like not a creamy kind of one. It's more of a liquid. See, it's a liquid coconut oil, and also I find it at Focus. So that's what that brand looks like. Yeah, so I use that on my hair for maintenance. So maintenance, what I mean is like I spray it on my hair every day. So I mix it with water in this bottle. Yeah, so I mix it with some water in this bottle, and I feel like I can't give you, would say, put 2 spoons or what. Like you'll find out, would say, how much moisture does your hair need. Water though, your hair, I feel water your hair needs water every single day. So I'll just put a little bit of coconut oil and then fill that bottle up. As you can see, I'm almost out, so I'll need to refill. and then just spray on my hair before you manipulate, before you style, before you do anything. Just do that. That's what I do. And then for my edges, okay, this is an unpopular opinion, but I don't like to do my edges a lot. I like them frizzy, like even with retwists. I don't like retwisting all the time. I like the whole, you know, not unkempt look, but like I just like it looking more natural. But if maybe I'm going to like a very formal kind of event and I need to look sleek and, you know, polished, this is what I use. I think you can find this anywhere, not just at Focus, but it's Styling Dreads Molding Gel Wax. I've actually never read the name before. All I know is just I look for this color bottle. But yeah, this is what it is. Yeah, so that's what I use, and I'll just use like an old toothbrush or something just to lay everything down. And yeah, maybe I'll tie a scarf just after. It does keep well. It's not very sticky. It doesn't leave a lot of residue or like, you know, that white stuff afterwards when it gets dry. It doesn't, surprisingly, it doesn't do that. So that's what I do like to use. But that's like, yo, maybe it's like, it even looks full. I have used it though. I have used it maybe 3-4 times. Yeah, but it does last, because you don't even need to use a lot for it. But yeah, that's what I use to maintain my hair. So on the lengthness and the thickness of my hair, it has grown. Can I just, you know, shout out to my hair for growing? Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm so obsessed. Okay, so in the front, I'll put like pictures of what my locks have been looking like before, so you can sort of compare what it looked like before and what it looks like now. But so the front, it goes up to, oh, it goes up to my chin. So if I pull it, I don't know, should I pull it, should I not? Okay, but if I pull it, it goes beyond my chin, and if I let it go, it's just at my chin. Those are the ones at the front. And at the back, sorry, it's my notepad. Okay, and at the back, see, if I let it go, that's what it looks like. I think, yeah, I can pull. It's just on my shoulder blade. Yeah, it's just on my shoulder blade. And maybe if I pull them from the back to the front, yeah, that's what they look like. I'm very proud of my hair. Like, like I said, I don't style as often. I literally just let them be, but they still grow and they treat me so well. But yeah, that's the length and the thickness. They vary. Hey, like, I don't know, the lady who started them, I don't know what to say. The lady who started them though, like she had her way, because I didn't know anything about locks. And honestly, if I could go back, I would start them with a two-strand twist. Honestly, if I could go back, I would start them with a two-strand twist. But that's okay. Still love them as they are, and I feel like they have a lot of character with the way that they are. Like, see, this one is like super thick, and then you'll have one on the side here which is like much thinner, you know. But yeah, like I said, it's character. It's just their vibe. They're my vibe. And all in all, if you just want to know, fun fact, I've got 72 locks. So yeah, that's my 3-year lock update. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. That was my 3-year lock update. I do hope you enjoyed that, and just tell me how far you are in your journey, and is it going well? Like, are you enjoying it? Because I'm finding that I'm having a blast. Like, I should have done this much sooner in my life. So I should be on like year 7 or something, but 3, I'm good. I'm happy with 3. Yeah, so thank you so much, and goodbye. See you in the next video.